Did you know the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra packs more computing power for photos than the cameras used to film some of your favorite? It's a literal beast. But even a beast needs the right tools to truly shine and capture those jaw-dropping shots that stop the scroll. If you've just dropped a small fortune on the ultimate camera phone, you'd be crazy not to kit it out with accessories that actually unlock its full potential. Today, we're diving into the absolute best Galaxy S26 Ultra camera gear, from protective glass to high-end cinema mounts, so you know exactly where to invest your cash. All the links are in the description below. Check them out as we go. And before we jump in, what's the one feature on the S26 Ultra camera you're most excited to use? Drop a comment. I want to see your pics. 5. ESR Individual Lens Protectors. Starting off at number 5, the ESR Individual Lens Protectors. With a camera array as massive as the S26 Ultras, the fear of scratching a lens is real. These aren't cheap plastic covers. They're ultra-thin tempered glass with aluminum edging that perfectly matches your phone's finish. The genius? Individual lens design. Each lens has its own shield, avoiding those annoying fitment issues you get with one-piece protectors. Optical clarity is top tier. No ghosting, no flare. Compared to Spigen Optic, ESR is stealthy and minimalist, perfect for a sleek flagship phone. Installation is a breeze thanks to the alignment frame. Press once, done. Just make sure your lenses are clinical level clean because these are one-time use. Question for you. Do you prefer individual lens covers, or do you trust your phone case to do all the work? Comment below. 4. Apexel 10-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. At number 4, we have the Apexel 10-in-1 Lens Kit, basically a toy box for creators. From 15 times macro to 198 degrees fisheye, and even kaleidoscope and star filters, this kit lets you experiment with every photography style. The lenses are built with high-class glass and metal frames, feeling far more professional than the typical plastic kits. Compared to Zenvo Pro, Apexel gives 10 tools versus 2, making it ideal for hobbyists, students, or anyone wanting full creative flexibility. Includes a CPL filter to cut reflections and a rugged carrying case. Trade-offs? Slight softness at the frame edges on the widest lenses, but for social media, the creative payoff is worth it. Quick poll. Have you ever tried a fisheye lens in your videos? Or is that too retro for you? Drop your thoughts. 3. NEEWER BR 65-inch Ring Light Kit. Number 3 is the NEEWER BR 65-inch ring light, your secret weapon for pro-looking video. Even the S26 Ultra's amazing sensor looks muddy in bad light. But this light fixes that. With CRI 97+, your skin tones look natural, and the 60 LEDs plus adjustable color temperature give you everything from cozy sunset to crisp daylight. Compared to the Lume Cube, BR60 has a larger surface area, wrapping light around your face evenly. Mount it directly to a laptop or use the mini tripod. USB powered, so no worrying about batteries dying midstream. Question: is good lighting more important than a good camera? Or do you think camera tech rules? Let's chat in the comments. 2. Apexel 100 Ultra Macro Lens with CPL. At number 2, we have the Apexel 100 Ultra Macro Lens, a pro-grade tool for tiny details. Think watch dials, insect wings, jewelry sparkle, all captured without having to squish your phone against the subject. 5-element optical system, cold shoe mount, 52mm filter thread for stacking filters or tiny LEDs. Compared to the Moment 10 times macro, Apexel gives more versatile focus, works over thick cases, and won't break the bank. The f1.05 aperture creates creamy bokeh, making your subject pop like a cinematic shot. Trade-off? Thin depth of field. You'll need a steady hand or tripod. Quick question, have you tried macro photography? Or does the idea of getting that close freak you out? Comment below. 1. ULANZI ST27 Metal Phone Tripod Mount. Finally, number 1, the ULANZI ST27. This is the foundation for serious mobile filmmaking. Aircraft-grade aluminum, rock-solid build with 3 cold shoe mounts. Mount your phone, mic, and LED light all in one compact rig. 360 degrees rotation with a locking ring lets you flip between horizontal and vertical in seconds. Compared to Manfrotto Twist Grip, ULANZI offers better versatility at a better price. Plus, Arca Swiss compatibility for professional tripods. Non-slip grips keep your $1,300 phone safe, and it's light enough to take on hikes. This accessory takes you from person with a phone to content creator with a production rig. Here's a question for you. If you could only pick one accessory from this list, would it be better glass or a better mount? Tell me below. That wraps up our deep dive into the best camera gear for the S26 Ultra. Whether you want to protect your lenses or build a mobile cinema rig, there's something here for everyone. All the links are in the description if you want to grab any of these. If this video helped you decide, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep tech dive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.